Hi, dear teacher and companions. My name is Carlos Cardoso. This video is for the task 4. Um, this activity is about what I did choose a special company in the task 2. And the task 2, I like it very much because the main topic is very important. Um, that topic is about the change weather and environment. And in the task 2, I choose a company for a special reason. Um, the reason is for I did work in this place, and the name's factory is Simonis. Simonis is a plastic factory. They make packaging plastics. Um, I worked there like an electrician technique. In that place, they work with a material called PVC. This material is used for make different packaging. And the problem with a PVC is that is a bad material for the health. This can to generate cancer in people, and this is the main reason for I did choose Simonis because the PVC is a material very dangerous. I will like very much they can use other materials like polypropylene or polyethylene because those materials can be reused. Of that way, they can save money. Okay, going back to the main topic, the PVC have been banned in most countries because they know is that material is so dangerous. Then why Simonis don't do it? Um, because don't work with recyclable materials. If then if them use recyclable materials can help the environment and the people's health. That is so better because the war is in the worst moment. The animals die every day. We pollute all environments and the water too. Um, if we don't stop now, we will have nowhere to live in the future. Then the time is now because our planet need us. Our planet need our responsibility, and our planet needs our care because it is sad that we are to blame for everything bad that happens on our planet. The fault is ours, so we are the ones who must be responsible and save our planet. Okay, this is all for this time, dear companions and dear teacher. Cordially, Carlos Cardoso.